This is the Garvee 14,000 BTU AC unit. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video and sending this over. We've done a lot of tests on units like this, and this one's got a special twist to it. We'll tell you in a minute, but really, at the end of the day, it's a basic single hose system. It's got nice handles on the sides for lifting it up. Yeah, we have it in kind of a weird situation because we have it here in our shop, but you can see the display there. Good display, good controls. You've got your standard air inputs, air outputs, hose drainage, the whole 9 yards, as well as your heat hose. It's going to take all that hot air and kick it outside. But let's talk about some of those features real quick. It's got a nice touch panel. It's got that remote control, easy to use. It's got a sleep mode that takes it down to 50 dB and it dims the front lights. It has 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan. So you can run it with AC, or you can use it just to pull the water out of the air, or you can use it just to circulate the air. 14,000 BTU, we talked about 750 square feet, which just happens to be the same size as my shop here. Digital display, auto swing function, 24-hour time, sleep mode, yada, yada, yada. And of course, these are the windows you should be using it with. Below are the windows you should not be using it with. Just remember, if you have a 3D printer, you can probably use it with whatever window you like. All right, enough about that, though. Let's talk about the unit itself, okay? So we talked about the fact that, and we'll touch on the good, the bad, and the ugly as we go through this. So it's got a nice display up top, and this is, by the way, this is the same camera view. So one camera on me, second camera on the unit there. All right, then let's see what we can put it, if we can put it through its paces here. Got the remote, no look shot, over the shoulder, got it. Okay, it's gonna take a second while it boots up, and then it's gonna kick in. There we go. All right, and this machine's got a couple nice features you don't see on boxes this size. The first one, you can kind of see it right now. That vent lid is going up and down, so it's got the oscillating vent lid. All right, and that allows you to blow some of the air up, middle, down. Is it a game changer? No. Is it a nice to have? Yes. One thing that's negative, though, is if you got kids who like to stick their fingers and stuff, there's little plastic gears in there, and they're easily stripped. So don't let the kids play with it. Just fair warning, okay? You saw me use the remote. You saw me show you before on the touch display. You know what you didn't see me use? A cell phone, or she who shall not be named. You know who I'm talking about, the ALEXAs of the world and other kind of assistants. She don't work with that, all right? Now, some people will say that's an ugly. Some people will say that's a win, all right? So that's a good, bad kind of, you make the call on that. It's a single hose unit, all right? Single hose unit means that, so AC units, basically they have 2 sides. They have a hot side and a cold side. Each side has an air intake and an air output, all right? So on like a window unit, it pulls the air from the outside in to cool the compressor, cause the heat exchange that takes that air that then heats up, spits it back outside. The air pulls the air in from the room, cools it through that heat exchange, puts the cold air back inside. Unit like this, already inside. So that's what it does with the hot air. It pulls the air in from the room to do the heat exchange, and then it heats up, and then it kicks it out. And then it has the air on the inside of the room, also through a separate input coming in, and then that gets cooled, goes back into the room. So you have 3 on the inside, 1 going out. Here's why this is bad. That creates a negative pressure zone, because that air that's pulling from inside to then spit outside, negative pressure, that air has to come from somewhere, it comes from outside. If it's really hot outside, that reduces the efficiency. In fact, in Europe, they force manufacturers who sell these to include a modified BTU rating that gives you what its real world suggestion would be. And at 14,000 BTU, this is probably going to be around 11 to 12,000. I don't know for sure, but it's not going to be full 14,000. Just understand that. Unless you've got a 3D printer and you print your own cover on it and put another hose out and turn it into a 2-hose system, which I've been seeing people do. That's pretty clever. I've got plenty of 3D printers. I might be trying that myself. There's no doubt I will be doing that myself. My shop studio space here is 34 by 22, and it's not the normal height. It's almost 10 feet high, so bigger than your average room, and it doesn't have a problem handling it. All right. Now on the negative side, Garvee. Who's that? All right, they're not one of the big players, but as a caveat, my buddy's got this to say. It's less than $350. I think he makes a fairly compelling argument. So let's pull it up here. Garvee, 14,000 BTU, yada, yada, yada. It's normally $600 on sale. No one pays $600. On sale for $365. Click to unlock price, $328. Now, I wouldn't be, they're supposed to give me a coupon code. I'll put a link in coupon code down below. It may even go cheaper than that, but there's a lot of Memorial Day sales, dads and grads, all sorts of stuff going on. So that may be the best bottom dollar, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll push. We'll see if we get into the teens, maybe save even a few extra bucks. You know, as far as you know, the ugly on it, the only ugly I can really see is, well, I mean, I should say, you know, warranty. It's got a 30-day no questions return policy on it, but you have to get it back to them. It's, you know, the not having smart functions for some people is a win. I think really it's just the fact that they're not a big name out there. But at that kind of price, I mean, that's what happens when you want to get that kind of pricing. If you want a big name brand, then you're going to pay big name brand pricing. So far, so good. Will it last 10 years? I don't know. I can't tell you that. All I can tell you is I put it through its paces. So far, it's cooling my shop. It's a sponsored video, and you be an adult and make the call yourself. But I'm liking mine so far. Anyway, you let me know what you think. What are you looking for? You know, are you looking for, you know, mini splits? Are you looking for, I think they have mini splits. Are you looking for window units? Are you looking for these portable droid style? I really like them. We use them all over the place. Our friends use them. I even just had a friend calling me. She wanted to get one, but she needed it today. So she's getting whatever Ace has because they're the only people in town. That's what happens when you wait, unless you can get this shipped. In fact, I think I checked on this. Shipping was like, it'll be there like Tuesday or something. Anyway, you check it out. If you like what we do here, go ahead and chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.